Hello everybody, this is Mike Schiavone, and today we introduce you to Mr. Bingo himself, the Flamingo, Mike Flair. Bingo Schiavone. I had to take the time out of my day to come out and speak. And before I get into it, I want to take the time out to show you what my friends at French Crown made for Mr. Bingo himself, Mike Flair. This double-breasted blazer, custom made for the champ himself. And they reached out to me and said, "Champ, what do you need? What does a Flamingo need to represent class, the gold, and the best?" And I told him, "Send me the double-breasted blazer." And that's what they did. They sent me the double-breasted blazer, and I gotta tell you, look at it. You find anything better, let me know. And for you haters out there that's got all this stuff to say about French Crown, all I can say is, when you don't have the body of a champ, when you don't look this good, things won't work out for you. But I'm telling you, as my name is Mike Flair, as you're looking at the Flamingo, that French Crown makes me look good. Bingo. Back to you guys. Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you like that intro. I wanted to come by and talk about the French Crown double-breasted blazer that I got. I've actually had this for a couple months now. Been in school, so I haven't been able to make a review, but I stopped by to make this review because I've been getting a lot of comments, people saying that it's fake or it's this or it's that. But I'm telling you, I'm 6'5", 220 pounds. All body by Jake, body by Mike, body of a Greek god, and they made this fit a guy that's 6'5". I don't have no problems out of this blazer. Everything looks good. The lining, you can see it's premium. French Crown logo right there. They give you some extra buttons, and it fits me great. It has two buttons, but I think you're not supposed to button that bottom one, but I will do it for the stuff for the gram a little bit. But I like it. I don't have no problems out of this. Bow tie don't want to act right today, but it's all good. We're gonna get it right. But I like it. It feels good. I've worn it a couple times. Even got the French Crown shirt. So you have to know your size. What's your body type? I'm more of a slim, type, but I'm tall. So the sleeves means a lot to me. The sleeve length, and they actually got it right. And I actually sent my body size to them as far as the measurements is concerned, as far as waist, shoulder, arms. I sent all that to them, and they made it to their size, and they sent it to me. I forgot to bring the bag, the black bag out the house. I may try to take a picture of that and maybe have that in the video too. But they send it to you in a bag. The packaging is nice. Also, as I turn around, you can see it. Like I say, it looks good. I don't have a problem with it. I like it. Been wearing it, church, events. People liked it. Like I say, I don't have no problem with it. Double-breasted. They're really hard to find for tall people. I think I bought this. It was on sale when I bought it, but I don't even know if they even offer it. I know you got to know your size. I know sometimes a lot of stuff, my size be sold out. But, hey, if they want to send me something, they got my measurements. They can send me something. But I wanted to come by and say I like this blazer. I don't have no problems with it. I know people been coming, trolling and stuff, but I don't mind the trolls. Hey, like, share, and subscribe. I'm really trying to reach 1K. If you can help me reach 1K, I can buy more things to review on, not just French Crown. I can actually go to some other places. I thought about going to Belk's. I thought about going to Old Navy, getting like some stuff to wear like I wear to work, like button-down shirts and chinos or khakis. But let me know in the comments, what would you like to see me do a review on next? And please, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and help me grow the channel where I talk about men's fashion. I can also talk about IT, like getting ready for interviews, what to wear to interviews if you don't have a suit, what to wear to interviews, just all kind of things. I'm not just a monolith. I do many things, but help the channel grow. I'm in school. I got 1 more year left, so I'm doing a bunch of homework, trying to keep up with that. But with that being said, I give this jacket a 1 out of 10 flamingos. I'm gonna give it about 8.59 flamingos because I wish that I could have got it. That's a tailoring thing. It has nothing to do with French crown. If I can get it tapered in like a tad bit more, where it could taper in a little bit more. But that's a custom kind of deal. But as far as the suit is concerned, I like it. Double-breasted. I only got the blazer. I didn't get the pants. I only got the blazer. But I do got some French crown pants, houndstooth as well. So if you see that, yeah, you see that. But like, share, subscribe. Help me grow the channel. Let me know what would you like to see me review next. Thanks for watching. This is Mike Flair, and I'm signing out.